This isn't just another Tesla. What you're looking at could be the car that changes everything. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 has arrived, smaller, sleeker, and sharper than ever, and it's promising to shake up the EV world like no Tesla before it. From its radical illuminated branding, futuristic proportions, and minimalist luxury interior, to the question that everyone is asking, is this the EV that makes Tesla truly unstoppable? Starting up front, the new Model 2 is nothing short of futuristic minimalism done right. Gone is the old Tesla badge-only identity. In its place, you now have an illuminated TESLA script stretched boldly across the fascia, embedded seamlessly into a razor-thin light bar that sweeps from corner to corner. It feels like digital eyes staring at you, sharp, cybernetic, and unforgettable. The grille is a closed black panel with angular layering, giving the car both aerodynamic precision and an aggressive stance. The headlights are razor-thin, recessed into the bodywork, like blades of light cutting across the face. It's futuristic, but still undeniably Tesla. Clean, elegant, and bold. Move to the side, and you'll notice just how athletic this compact crossover looks. The Model 2 is sculpted with sharp character lines, running from the hood through the doors, adding muscular tension to an otherwise minimalist shape. The wheel arches are squared off and geometric, housing large aero-inspired black alloy wheels that emphasize efficiency while still looking performance-driven. The flush door handles remain, keeping with Tesla's signature seamless approach, and the roofline, sleek, coupe-like, with a subtle floating design, gives this small Tesla SUV an upscale, aerodynamic silhouette. It's shorter than a Model Y, but the proportions feel powerful, almost Porsche Macan-like in confidence.
At the back, Tesla's new design language truly shines. A bold, illuminated TESLA script sits proudly in the center of a continuous red LED light bar, stretching across the entire rear fascia. This isn't just a logo, it's a digital identity, a futuristic signature that glows at night and announces its presence instantly. The taillights cut sharply into the rear quarter panels, while the bumper design is clean, free from clutter, with only aerodynamic sculpting and a black diffuser-like element. The result is a rear end that feels wider, more planted, and far more premium than you'd expect from Tesla's entry-level model. Now, let's talk about what's under the skin, or in Tesla's case, beneath the floor. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is expected to ride on Tesla's next-generation compact EV platform, with the new 4680 battery cells delivering higher energy density and faster charging. We're looking at ranges projected around 250 to 300 miles on a single charge, with fast charging that can add 200 miles in under 15 minutes at a supercharger V4 station. Power output should rival hot hatches, meaning this could do 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds for the base and potentially around 4.5 seconds for a dual-motor AWD performance variant. Tesla's focus here isn't just performance, it's accessibility. The Model 2 could finally hit the long-promised $25,000 to $30,000 price point, making it the true people's Tesla. Step inside, and Tesla continues its philosophy of futuristic minimalism. The cabin is sleek, modern, and uncluttered. A massive central display dominates the dash, handling everything from navigation to climate to entertainment, much like the Model 3 and Model Y. The steering wheel is compact, with integrated haptic controls, and the materials are a mix of soft-touch eco-leather, brushed finishes, and LED ambient lighting strips that accentuate the cabin's clean geometry. Tesla has clearly taken inspiration from higher-end interiors, but kept it simple and driver-focused. Expect plenty of software-driven features, voice control, Tesla's latest autopilot and full self-driving hardware, and seamless OTA updates that keep the car feeling brand new long after you drive it off the lot. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Tesla Model 2 isn't just a car, it's Tesla's boldest strategic weapon yet. With futuristic design, cutting-edge lighting signatures, next-gen batteries, and a price that could finally make EVs mainstream, this car could redefine what the everyday electric vehicle looks like. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Tesla Model 2 the EV revolution we've all been waiting for, or just another overhyped concept? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cars of tomorrow.